Have you ever felt?
Are you listening? Damn.
Hey y'all, it's Chimdy. So I'm doing these crochet braids on freshly washed and conditioned hair, and I'm using a mix of leave-in conditioner and water to spray on my hands as I'm taking down these braids. So because I'm kind of doing a lazy method with these crochets, but I do want to have some flexibility in where I part my hair, I'm going to put down 3 small cornrows in this front section where I know I'm going to have my part and braid that down. And then the rest of my hair, I'm just going to go ahead and pull it back into a ponytail. Make sure you don't put too much tension on this low ponytail in the back because you are going to be wearing this style for a bit. So I made sure to kind of loosen my ponytail up a little bit. And what's great about curly crochet styles is that the curls will kind of cover up this ponytail, so you don't need to be worried about that. This is the hair I'm using from divatress.com. It is Expressions Deep Twist 12-inch hair, T1V purple and black. It has this beautiful ombre effect from this black to this really deep purple, which is super cute. It comes pre-looped, which means there's a little bit of a twist in the top of the hair. And I just pulled apart each section into 4 smaller sections and then crocheted those sections into my hair. For these 3 cornrows, I went ahead and did the invisible method. That's when, as you're pulling it through, you just go ahead and grab one of the sections to loop through the knot instead of both sections. So I did that for these 3 cornrows in the front, but for the rest of my hair, I just went ahead and did the normal crochet. I noticed this hair was getting a bit tangly as I was separating it, so what I did is I sprayed it with that same water conditioner mix, and I just put it into a 2-strand twist as I was crocheting it to keep it out of the way and to help it kind of clump up a little bit. So that was what I did for the rest of my head. I just crocheted in using the normal method. I separated each section into 4, and then after installing a section of hair, I just went ahead and sprayed it with the conditioner mix and put it into a 2-strand twist.
Have you ever
Once I was all done that, I went ahead and trimmed off those angly bits at the end of my twists. And then I went ahead and pulled that back and laid down my edges with some Eco Styler Gel. I am also not canceling Eco Styler Gel because I have entirely too much and I'm going to use it all up before I consider any kind of, healthy alternatives. Laid it down with my scarf per usual. And here's how I'm looking after a little bit of makeup. Next, I just went ahead and took down the 2-strand twists. And here are how my edges are looking. I thought I could use a little bit more volume, so I went ahead and added in a few more pieces near the front. I still have hair left over from this style, so I didn't even use up those 3 bundles. So as I kind of live with the hair for a little bit, I might continue to add in more. And then finally, I just went ahead and trimmed the hair and gave myself a little bit more of a shape. thought the back felt a little bit sparse, so I went ahead and added even more hair. And here's how it's looking after I added that in. And this is the final look. I am totally loving it. It's giving me Justine Skye, like perfect for Curl Fest vibes. Once again, you can get the hair from divatress.com. Go and give me a thumbs up if you like this video, and subscribe if you haven't already, and join the Hold Me Like family. Thanks for watching, y'all. I will see you in the next one.
Shake it, shake it, shake it, shake it.